Hey, do you suffer from chronic headaches or migraines? My name is Dr. Kilby and I'm right here in Rapid City, South Dakota at Health Source. And one of the things we do here in the office, we are certified in chiropractic biophysics. Short is CBP. What this does is this aims on improving the normal alignment of the spine. So example, we had a patient come in, this is her x-rays, she came in with a reduced curve or a flattening of the curve, and what that does is cause more stress on the neck, also on the spinal cord, and that creates a lot of headaches go wrapping around. So this patient's tried PT, acupuncture, massage, all of the things to help try to reduce the migraines and headaches, but it didn't help. This is what we do different that separates us from a lot of the other clinics in town is our traction. So specific traction for that set of x-rays that I showed you earlier. One, to distract and help pull the joints apart, and then also a pulling force forward to actually improve that lordosis, and this is where we got her 2 x-rays. So if you or someone you know that is suffering with chronic headaches or migraines would like to see if we can help, schedule an appointment below and we'll get you in and talk to you about it. Till then, have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.